a reactive fighter. Like he's a twitchy. That was a big left hook by Duarte.
Malupit din to umilag si Ryan Garcia eh.
He needs to see that punch. He won't throw it if he doesn't see it. Capacity crowd. Hot and heavy and ready for this fight. Sometimes when you sit down, you might relax. I don't think he wants to relax.
Duarte said, I don't respect Ryan that much, but I do respect his speed and power.
Duarte went away from throwing that straight right.
The flashing jet.
Tsaka yung footwork niya talaga is, yun nga, nagagamit niya talaga.
That we saw when Ryan first came out, he's got to get back to that. Jab, move, uppercut here and there. Just touch Duarte. Let the rounds go. Bank the rounds. It will serve Ryan well to go to Duarte's body.
Duarte's putting his head down and coming in like a bull. Dishing it out. But against Tank Davis, he showed he wasn't so good at taking rounds.
Don't try to go for it all at one time.
Absolutely. There's that uppercut, and they're back on the backhand.
On the button from Ryan. Surprisingly, Duarte has a lot of fans here tonight. Against Ryan Garcia, he's going to throw punches as he's trying to get inside. That's typical for Ryan Garcia. What do you make of it?
Atypical.
Just a king. Gets you stationary. Throw that left hook around the guard right there.
He took advantage right there. But if he doesn't see it, he won't throw.
Ang kagandahan lang kasi kay Ryan Garcia, hindi siya yung dumidikit agad. Medyo may distansya sa kalaban, kaya hindi siya madaling abutin ng mga punch or yun nga, mga hook ng kalaban.
Expose him.
Ryan Garcia in half. Make him think about the body and lower them hands.
He told not to do it anymore.
Pay-per-view is on sale now in the U.S. and Canada.
There you go. See, now he's stabbing him to the body. That's what's going to do it.
Garcia.
Yep, you see the reflexes, you see the speed. It kind of keeps you a little bit more at bay.
One thing about Tank Davis, he is who's constantly moving to avoid Duarte's pressure.
So far,
We just saw a hard warning.
speed does. It makes you think twice. It intimidates you.
RESPECT. You got respect for that.
Do something, and he needs to unleash and let those hands go.
Mentally, pull it out of him, make him feel defeated, and then you can defeat him.
Not only that, by Duarte.
Sean, it's almost something an amateur would do.
That's going to wear him down physically and mentally, and then the body work that he's applying now.
He's got Ryan in the corner.
Medyo aggressive din yung kalaban, kaya nakikita mo rin kung paano umiiwas si Ryan Garcia.
His hands go 40-36 in favor.
Tsaka malakas din yung kalaban ni Ryan Garcia. Kaya todo defense din si Ryan Garcia pagdating dito.
Garcia. Now he's letting his hands go.
A little bit of training mentally.
That's because it's one thing to be aggressive, but followed up with a left that just missed. You can't just follow Ryan Garcia into the corner and do nothing.
Please just take it up out. Take it the real.
Continuing to get me in there. next to Ryan Garcia.
Eager as he meets patient back.
For Oscar Duarte is to make Ryan Garcia uncomfortable. That means hitting him everywhere to do it. You understand what your opponent's doing. You have to make an adjustment to it.
And the reason Duarte's not hitting
Yeah, I was gonna say, I want Ryan to stay with what he's been doing. You gotta beat Duarte. I was just gonna say.
threw a left hook from there. Garcia tried that Luke Campbell body shot right
Things that are
there.
gonna wear Ryan down. Being in his face, just like
Sure,
this.
kickboxing today. So Tank Davis is on a special level.
You know, he's alternating his speed and his power.
Yeah. Must be the DQ.
Grabe din yung suntok ni Ryan Garcia. Maririnig mo talaga yung kung paano siya sumuntok eh.
Probably the best round of the fight for Duarte. He's spelling it out for him. You've got to put more pressure, and you've got to let your hands go. He's been
Well, I want to see how it's going to be like 6, 7, and 8 rounds right now. You know, he's taking his power shots.
And you get a couple warnings, it's okay.
That's all you're going to get.
Listen, at any point against Oscar Duarte, it won't be good.
See shot. And Ryan on the throw here. Like, these are the situations where you've got to throw 6, 7, 8 punch combinations.
I heard a lot of former champions say that this fight is clean shots, but you can bet Ryan Garcia's feeling it.
Garcia almost completely turning his back on his opponent.
The right body structure. You know, Mayweather had a small head and wide shoulders. He hit behind the biceps.
Pero tingnan mo naman, kahit na sa tingin natin is liamado talaga si Ryan Garcia, pero lumalaban pa rin talaga yung kalaban niya. Kaya makikita mo rin na porsigido talagang manalo yung kalaban ni Garcia. Tsaka nakikita mo naman sa suntok talagang todo bigay din.
Listen, I need you to land that right hand. But before you throw that right hand, you got to get him the inside. That's what his corner wants him to do. That's great advice.
Oh, that uppercut scored big time for Garcia. Duarte.
Yeah, seeing the shoulder roll, that's not something that I know Derek James to teach. It's just this is the adjustment that really makes how to beat that.
Nice left hand gets Duarte off balance.
I want to see hook to the head, hook to the body. You know, how effective are you in the fight? He's tough. He doesn't let very many people get through to him.
Ryan Garcia's going to stay in the exact same pocket.
It seems like Garcia is content.
Yeah.
We see a lot of comparisons with Ryan Garcia and Oscar De La Hoya. Right now we're seeing a version of you have no one to blame but yourself. But right now things are going right so far with Ryan.
At so alam mo yung style ni Ryan Garcia is parang meron siyang kinuha kay Mayweather kung paano yung mga kamay niya. Kaya kahit si Pacquiao nahihirapan din dati, 'di ba? Tumama kay Mayweather dahil sa ganung estilo ng pakikipaglaban.
Garcia, but yeah, I don't like that turn.
Get it? I don't know why he's personally made that adjustment.
Something's bothering him.
Good observation there from
Chris Mannix shots out. Duarte trying to shake
body is too strong. Moved up from the fans right now. They're moving down from the fans that were actually closing Garcia's entrance.
But these are
Next time Garcia does that shoulder roll, you can bet Oscar it doesn't look right. When you turn yourself sideways like that, it looks like you don't want to fight your opponent.
as Duarte's trying to turn the tide.
not his style. That's when you attack him. When he's hunched over, coming forward, that's when you go backwards and then pop that jab.
Duarte showing you these are largely wasted opportunities for Oscar Duarte. As he fights back.
He wants to do. Again, when you talk about this being Ryan's third trainer now.
He knew he was in for a fight. Maybe not this tough, but here we are. He's got to test that midsection. Only 4 of Ryan Garcia's 24 fights have gone the distance.
And Sergio, you know, when a fighter goes out there on his own devices, usually that
His
means
defensive posture, Sean, half back turn
I don't know, man. I can't.
to the right side. By tilting that way, he's protecting that side of his body. So
Like the adjustment back to the game plan of moving and jabbing using the speed. So I say punch strong and hard. Make them move their feet.
First momentum. Maybe not winning the round.
left hand there from
Oh, diba?
Duarte's legs have been traded.
Tingnan mo yung kalaban niya, binugbog na. Lasing na.
He's got That's a knockdown.
The shift the left to Duarte.
Ayun! Diba? Tumba.
2 minutes, 51 seconds, round number 8. Referee James Green reaches a count of 10. Your winner by way of knockout, and now WBA Gold Champion, King Ryan Garcia!
Oh, yun nga nakita natin. Diba dahil nga sa estilo na nakuha niya rin kay Mayweather, tsaka yung punch niya medyo nasa kondisyon talaga ngayon si Ryan Garcia, kaya napasa kanya nga yung pagkapanalo. And congratulations sa iyo, Ryan Garcia. Ayun lang, thank you.